Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Today we're doing another harvest video. We're out here just looking for carrots to harvest. So I'm going through the carrots and just taking the biggest rooted ones out because I placed these way too close together. So working on that. Show you what I've got so far. And the chickens are asking for the tops. Those are what we got so far. Good, decent size. So I'm going in here, and anywhere where there's like a thicker, I gotta be careful. A lot of them want to break on me. Let's see. This is a thicker top. That's an okay size carrot. So I'm just taking out the bigger ones because right next to them, there's smaller ones. Looks like this one was chewed on by something. I don't know what that would be. Probably a rodent. Oh, that's a pretty small one. That's the thing is, that's the problem with planting them too close sometimes. But we need carrots because that's what we give our dogs for treats. There's a short, fat one. There we go. So I'm only going to take the ones that look decent in size, just to kind of thin them out as they're bigger, because you can see here I have these really close together, so it will give those smaller carrots room to grow. Oh, but that's not fun when that happens, and that's a decent sized carrot. That's what happens when you grow them in Tennessee clay. Come on, there we go. Decent sized carrot. That is a weed. Go to the chickens over there. Oh, in their water. Let's see this one here. That's an okay size one. It's disappointing when you pick them and their tops are here. That should, see how this is a big clumping? This one right here is a bigger clumping. That should be a decent size. There we go. That's what I should be picking out of here right now. And I have a few of those. So that's what I'm looking for as I dig through these carrots. Like, here's another one that has a decent size clumping, but it feels smaller. Okay. Now, what I feed my carrots is, I've learned this year, and I am having better success with them, is phosphorus. They love phosphorus, which is bone meal. Oh, two right next to each other. There. There. Okay. Here's a larger. Oh. Okay, I think I need to pick these in the morning right after I water. This is a decent sized carrot, and of course it's stuck right next to another one. Look at these little fatties. It's so funny. Okay, there we go. We got some carrots today. So harvesting a little bit every day out of the garden. See if there's more on that side that I can take. This might be a good size one. It's not bad. Okay. I really don't want to come out of this soil. That is, see, I'm feeling it and it feels like a big carrot, and then I go to pull it and it's a little fatty weird thing. Okay. All right, that's all I'm gonna pick today. So let's see if there's any in this patch that I can pick. Looks like they can all go a little bit longer. Yeah. Okay, so they're getting there, but I'll save the rest for time when they're a little bit longer. So there we go. There's our carrot harvest for today. Let me go get my basket so I can rinse them off in the basket. And I really came out here to give my pigs some water. So let's give those pigs some water. The poor guys have no water. It's a pretty hot day. Not scorching or anything, but definitely want them to have water. Hey, pig pigs. Hey, pig pigs. Hi, guys. Thirsty, huh? Yeah. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Fast. So, thank you for watching today, guys. You have a great and wonderful day as always, and God bless. Bye.